just want this to pass right over us.
Oh my God, it's spinning!
I see it.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Kara.
Tanique, what do we do? I'm calling corporate.
Well, the alarms haven't. Oh my God. It's spinning faster.
Deborah, clouds are spinning right in front of our building. Should we lock the door? Okay. Okay, we're not going to leave. Yeah, it's spinning. Oh my God. Bye. Let me call my daughter.
There's several of them spinning though. It's not just one. See those twirls over there?
Do you see it dropping at all?
No.
I know. I am shaking, girl.
Tara. See what you've done to me? Stop biting your nails.
And they're fake. Look how they're all like just merging. Oh my God.